Hey everyone, here we have a quickmill vetrano. Don't mind the expo bar sign. This is for another machine. It's just so we can run a shot. But this machine wasn't getting any pressure on the brew pad, so we just had to give her a tune-up, replace some gaskets. The red light just came on because it's rebuilding some pressure as it prepares to run a shot, and there we have it. We descaled the machine. Now she's running perfectly, so let's run a shot. And there's your pressure. And there it is. Beautiful. Really, really good shot. Really good camera. And the pressure release. That is a beautiful shot. There you go. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thank you.